Okay, my crazy brother and his crazy invention.
Okay, what we have here today is a pretty nifty invention that Joel over here come up with. Initially, he invented the idea to
I never invented the idea, I just copied somebody.
Well, he made this thing to set the bead on large tires. What it is we've got an air hose coming into here, feeding the tank, and this pressure is at about 180 psi. So we have 180 psi, large capacity going to be coming out of this valve in a very short order. So what we've done is we were very impressed with the kick it had when we were unblocking some water lines, so we decided we'd give this a try. We've got some ammo over here, and we're going to be lobbing some potatoes into the air. So we're going to give this a go and see how it works. Okay, hit the bit. Three, two, one. Blast off.